What if I told you we may have already created superhumans? Indeed. In 2018, a Chinese scientist edited two baby girls to be immune to HIV. But here's the twist. He may have accidentally boosted their intelligence. He edited the CCR5 gene, linked not only to disease resistance, but also to enhanced memory in animals. Those twins are alive, their identities are hidden, and no one knows what they've become. Meanwhile, labs around the world are editing animals, super-strong dogs, smarter mice, virus-proof pigs. The tools to enhance humans already exist. So ask yourself, are the first superhumans already here, in secret? Would you enhance your child's DNA? In 2018, the Chinese scientist edited human embryos. The world's first designer babies were born. Using CRISPR, he tried to make twin girls immune to HIV, but reports say he may have also targeted genes linked to intelligence. The world reacted with outrage. He broke international ethics and was jailed for 3 years. But here's what no one talks about. Where are the twins now? Their names, their health, their future, all a secret. It's not sci-fi, it already happened. And now, are we building a world of genetic elites? Here are several real-world incidents beyond the China CRISPR twins case that raised serious ethical questions in science, especially around gene editing, cloning, embryo editing without implantation, US and UK, 2015 to present. What happened? Labs in the US and UK edited human embryos using CRISPR, but destroyed them after a few days. Ethical concerns. Even temporary editing of embryos raised fears of a slippery slope toward designer babies. Most countries banned or restricted germline editing beyond research. Mitochondrial replacement therapy, 3-parent baby, UK and Mexico, 2016 to 2023. Embryos were created using DNA from 3 people, mother, father and a donor, to prevent mitochondrial disease. Ethical concerns. It altered germline DNA and raised concerns about long-term effects on identity and health. The UK approved this in special cases, other countries banned it. Human cloning attempts in South Korea back in 2004, so what happened? Dr. Hwang Woo-suk claimed to have cloned human embryos and stem cells. Ethical concerns. It was later revealed as a fraud, involving fabricated data and unethical egg donations. Aftermath. He was fired and faced criminal charges, and it deeply damaged public trust in stem cell research. CRISPR mosquitoes in the wild in places like Brazil and Burkina Faso. What happened? Genetically modified mosquitoes were released to reduce diseases like malaria and Zika. Ethical concerns, risk of ecosystem disruption, unknown long-term effects, and lack of public consent in target communities. Editing primate embryos in China back in 2019. What happened? Chinese scientists edited monkey embryos to study brain development, including genes linked to human intelligence. Ethical concerns. Blurring the line between humans and animals, creating humanized animals, and animal rights violations. What do you think? Should we edit our children's DNA? Thanks for joining us on Echoes Beyond Earth. Subscribe for more untold stories from the frontiers of space, science, and the human spirit. Until next time, keep looking up.